Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. After trading in the narrow range for the entire week, the virtual digital assets or VDA markets are attempting to stage a recovery following the change in accounting norm governing cryptocurrencies buoyed investor sentiment. Bitcoin stayed firm near $25,700 crucial mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 33,730 points. Moving on, earlier in the week, the Financial Accounting Standards Board allowed US companies to use the fair value principle, allowing them to show gains and losses immediately on their income statements. The decision could now make businesses more willing to buy cryptocurrencies, analysts said. In other news, the US Commodities Markets Regulator Commodity Futures Trading Commission charged three decentralized finance operations, namely Open Incorporation, 0x Incorporation, and DeriDex Incorporation, for offering illegal derivatives trading. Prior to FASB tweaking accounting norms, companies were required to mark crypto holdings at the lowest value they hit during a quarter. MicroStrategy Executive Chairman Michael Saylor believes the rule update eliminates a major impediment to corporate adoption of Bitcoin as a treasury asset. Meanwhile, FASB is expected to formally approve the final language later this year, and companies at that point would be free to adopt the new standards. Companies will be required to switch over beginning with calendar year 2025. The decision of the Financial Accounting Standards Board tweaking norm for reporting the cryptocurrencies holding and Cathie Wood's ARK Investment submitting spot Ether ETF paperwork created positive momentum in the overall crypto market space. According to on-chain data provider Sentiment, the exchange supply for Bitcoin has reached a two-week high, with over 5,000 Bitcoins worth staggering $128.5 million being transferred to exchanges in the past 24 hours. Interestingly, the largest financial firm in South Korea, Mirae Asset Securities, announced that it is collaborating with Ethereum scaling platform Polygon Labs to improve tokenization in finance and accelerate the adoption of Web3 technologies. PERP, the native token of Perpetual Protocol, is one of the top-performing assets in the past 24 hours. Amid the stellar performance, reports revealed that the Perpetual Protocol Foundation has transferred 903,000 PERP worth approximately $691,000 to Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, by trading volumes. US stock futures were trading mixed as concerns over the Federal Reserve's interest rate policy path dampened the market sentiment. Nasdaq futures ended at 13,748.83 points, while the S&P 500 dropped 0.32%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.17%. Bitcoin was trading at $25,750, up 0.1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.6%, trading at $1,621. BNB was down by 0.5% to trade at $214. Cardano's AT token was down by 0.4% to trade at $0.25. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $9.9, lower 0.6%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 3% to trade at $0.54. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.7% at $0.062. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.49, up by 0.1%. Polkadot was down by 0.8% to trade at $4.3. However, Solana SOL was up 0.1% and was trading at $19.5. Now let's cut across to our expert to know how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
Virtual digital assets (VDAs) are attempting to stage a recovery this week after spending much of time in the narrow range. What lent support? It was the decision of Financial Accounting Standards Board (FASB) tweaking norm for reporting the cryptocurrencies holding, and the Cathie Wood's ARK Investment submitting spot Ether ETF paperwork. Bitcoin was trading 1.94% higher at $26,242, while Ether was recently changing hands at $1,644, up 0.55%. Nevertheless, the cumulative market cap of all crypto assets has remained relatively still at under $1.05 trillion on CMC.
Thank you so much for sharing your views and giving us your valuable time. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV. And for more information and stories, log on to our website at www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs,
Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
The IMF and FSB have released a report commissioned by the G20 under India's leadership outlining a framework for regulating crypto assets like Bitcoin and stablecoins, arguing that their rapid growth could undermine monetary policy, increase physical risk, and reduce capital flow management measures. Widespread adoption may also amplify financial stability risk by increasing volatility, interconnections, and speeding up shock transmission across the global financial system. The report specifically mentions stablecoins as a significant risk, stating that global stablecoins may transmit volatility more abruptly than other crypto assets and may cause significant risk to financial stability. These risks may arise in particular if households and businesses in some economies begin to hold significant portions of their wealth in GSEs rather than local currencies over time. GSEs are stablecoins that have potential reach and adoption across multiple jurisdictions, according to the report. Macroeconomic risks associated with GSEs may be higher than those associated with other stablecoins. The IMF and FSB propose a comprehensive policy to address macroeconomic and financial stability risk, including strengthening monetary frameworks, addressing physical risk, implementing anti-money laundering standards, and enacting comprehensive crypto asset regulation, potentially transforming the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies and stablecoins. According to a recent post by Paolo Ardoino, CTO of Tether, Tether has emerged as one of the top buyers globally of US Treasury bills with a commanding exposure of $72.5 billion. The USDT stablecoin issuer now ranks 22nd globally, ahead of countries like the United Arab Emirates, Mexico, Australia, and Spain. According to Paolo Ardoino, this development shows how important USDT is becoming in emerging markets, providing a lifeline for communities grappling with rampant inflation in their national currencies. The argument made by Ardoino is supported by Wall Street Silver, which claims that China is shifting its attention away from US Treasury debt and towards gold. Tether, the largest stablecoin by market cap, experienced a market shakeup on August 17th, causing its USDT to deviate from its $1 peg. Despite the downturn, Tether remains the largest stablecoin by market cap, controlling over 60% of the market. Despite the market turmoil, Tether's trading volume exceeded $50 billion in the past 24 hours, 6 times higher than its closest competitor, USD Coin. After launching the pilot in August, the Pacific island nation of Palau is now wrapping up its US dollar stablecoin project. The government will stop distributing the Palau stablecoin on September 8th, according to Jay Hunter, a member of the Palau Ministry of Finance and the director of the Digital Residency Program, who made the announcement on X. Palau stablecoin will also be frozen after September 15th and will no longer be available for user transactions, according to Hunter, he added. After September 15th, you will no longer be able to spend the PSC. This will give us time to process retailer redemptions before the pilot's official termination at the end of the month. Hunter only mentioned that the government will send a survey to pilot participants the following week in the announcement, failing to specify the precise reason for freezing the stablecoin. The action was taken a few weeks after the government's late July PSC launch.